So in this problem, we need to determine the equation of a circle with its center lying on the line 3x plus 2y equals to 12, and it passes through 2 points 3, 2 and 5, 4. Let us begin. So we will start by considering the equation of the circle. So let the equation, we are going to take the general equation of a circle, which is given by x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. We're going to label this as equation number 1. In this general equation, the center is defined by negative g, negative f. And the radius of the circle is given by square root of negative g squared plus negative f squared minus c. Now, coming to the conditions that the circle is passing through 2 points. So here, the circle passes through the points 3, 2 and 5, 4. So that means these 2 points are going to satisfy the equation number 1. So let's start with the point 3, 2. All we have to do is substitute the value of x with 3 and the value of y with 2. We're going to get 3 squared plus 2 squared plus 2g times 3 plus 2f times 2 plus c equals to 0. Or we get 6g plus 4f plus c equals to, so 3 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9 and 2 squared is 4, so that adds up to 13. So we're going to transpose it to the right hand side. Let this be equation number 2. Similarly, if we consider the other point 5, 4, that's also going to satisfy the equation. So what we'll do, we'll replace the value of x with 5 units and y with 4 units. So we get 5 squared plus 4 squared plus 2 times g times 5 plus 2 times f times 4 plus c equals to 0. Arranging the terms, we get 10g plus 8f plus c. So that will be equals to 5 square is 25 and 4 square is 16. So 25 plus 16 is negative 41 once we transpose it to the right hand side. So let this be equation number 3. Now what we'll do, we will consider the condition that the center of the circle, the center which has the coordinate negative g, negative f, that this lie on the line. So we have the equation of the line provided to us. So the equation of the line is given by 3x plus 2y equals to 12. We have 3x plus 2y equals to 12. And that means this point is going to satisfy this equation. So all we have to do is replace the value of x with g and negative g and the value of y with negative f. So we get negative 3g minus 2f equals to 12. So this is going to give us another equation. Let's call it number 4. Now what we'll do, we'll use equation 2 and equation 3. So we'll take equation number 2 and from it we are going to subtract equation number 3. So that gives us, we have 6g minus 10g, so that's negative 4g. Then we have 4f minus 8f, so that's negative 4f. Then c and negative c cancels out. So that will be equals to negative 13 minus of negative 41. So we have negative 13 plus 41, so that adds up to 28. So let this be equation number 5. So now we have equation 4 and equation 5, so that contains only 2 parameters, g and f. So we can use this two equation to obtain the value of g and f. So let's do that. So what we'll do, we'll take equation number 4 and multiply it with negative 2. So we get 6g plus 4f equals to negative 24. Then we'll keep the equation 5 as it is. So that's as negative 4g minus 4f equals to 28. So what we'll do, we'll add the two equations. So on adding, 4f and negative 4f goes away. So 6g minus 4g, so that's 2g. So 2g becomes equals to negative 24 plus 28, so that's 4. So g value comes out to be 2 units. So we have obtained the value of g, which is 2 units. Now we can use either equation 4 or 5 to find out the value of f. So let's do that. So let's use equation number 4. So we have negative 3 times g, so g will be 2, minus 2f equals to 12. So we get negative 6 minus 2f equals to 12. So 2f will be equals to negative 18, which will be equals to, so f will be equals to negative 9. So we have found out the value of f as well as g. Now we can use value of f and g and substitute in either equation 2 or equation 3 to obtain the value of c. So let's use equation number 2. So that will be easier to find out the value. So equation number 2, we have 6g plus 4f plus c equals to negative 13. What we'll do, we'll replace the value of g with 2. So we have 12 and replace the value of f with negative 9. So negative 9 times 4 will be negative 36 plus c equals to negative 13. So this is going to give us negative 24 plus c equals to negative 13. So c value will be equals to 24 minus 13. So c comes out to be equals to 11. So we have the value of g, we have the value of f, we have the value of c. Now we can define the center of a circle. So the center, which is given by negative g comma negative f, so that comes out to be negative 2 comma positive 9. And the radius, we'll have to compute the radius. The radius is negative g whole squared plus negative f whole squared minus c. So let's substitute the value. So negative g corresponds to negative 2, so squaring it gives us 4. Negative f corresponds to 9, squaring it gives us 81 minus c, so c value is 11. Now 81 minus 11, that's 70. 70 plus 4, that will be 74. So we get square root of 74. So this is the value of our radius r. Now we have the coordinate of the center as well as the radius of the circle. We can use the standard form of a circle to find out its equation. So we have the circle whose center has the coordinate h comma k and the radius defined by r. Then the standard form of the circle is given by this equation, which is x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared equals to r squared. Now we have the value of our center. So we obtain the center as equals to negative 2 comma 9, and the radius came out to be square root of 74. Fine. So let's note this down. Our center, which in the standard form is given by h comma k, and that will correspond to negative 2 comma 9. So that means our value of h is going to be negative 2, value of k is going to be positive 9. Now the radius is, we have already defined, that's going to be square root of 74. So substituting all this value into standard form, we get x minus h, so we get x plus 2 whole squared plus y minus k whole squared equals to square of the radius, so that's 74. That's expanded, we get x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus y squared minus 18y plus 81 equals to 74. So we get x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 18y plus 11 equals to 0, and this is going to be the required equation of a circle.